Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction. The live price changes occur in the Bittorrent, and as it a best time to sell, buy or hold Bittorrent, I'm going to show you in this video with a live proof. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all, I request you please subscribe my channel for more this kind of videos. I know you also subscribe my channel. Please, if you don't subscribe, so please click the subscribe button right now. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour of the Bittorrent. What's the price hits occur in the 2 hour, and what's the high price of Bittorrent in the previous 2 hour. As you can see now on the graph, absolutely bad news for all Bittorrent holders, but don't worry, soon they are in positive. As you can see, the changes of the Bittorrent the previous 2 hour is also in positive. They are positive, but soon they are in negative because at the current time they start falling down. As you can see here, they are currently fast down, friends, but don't worry, soon they take a high jump. That is why they fall down, because that is a start of a new month. As you can see, that is the start of April month. That is why a lot of people want to sell it. That is why they fast down, but a lot of people want to buy it. That is why soon they are take a high jump. That is why my suggestion for you to hold it. As you can see here, the changes is in positives, 2.6%, absolutely good changes in a better in cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hour. So that is why my suggestion for all of you to hold it. And what's your suggestion about better, and please share in the comment box, because your opinion is very important for me. I am also a holder of better in cryptocurrency, so please share your opinion in the comment box. The high price of Bittorrent in the previous last 2 hour is about $0.006019 is the high price of Bittorrent in the previous 2 hour, friends. That is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour. Now let's see the last 1 hour result of the Bittorrent in the cryptocurrencies market. Oh my god, this is I as I also told you in the start of this video that they are fast down. That is a live price prediction of previous 2 hour. And if you see the currently changes of the Bittorrent in the previous 2 hours, so they are in the negative 2.04% change occur in the Bittorrent in the previous last 1 hour. Yeah, but don't worry, currently if you see the currently situation of the Bittorrents are absolutely paid, but don't worry about the currently situation of the Bittorrent. Soon they are in positive, because it is a start of a new month, so don't worry about that. And the high price of Bittorrent in the previous last 1 hour is about $0.006019 is the high price of Bitcoin in the previous last 1 hour, friends. That is a live price prediction of previous 1 hour, 2 hour. You're watching now on ABS Tech channel. If you want this type of more news and update about cryptocurrencies market, so remember that don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos.